I always knew one day I would become the best rapper. I just want to thank all my fans. I dedicate this to you. I call it 2 million. I did what I wanted, niggas did what they could. A lion wouldn't cheat, but a tiger would. I only keep real niggas in my stable. $1 million chain, I'm feeling like Gucci's label. So icy, I really don't care. Haters green as a pool table and they twice as square. Had to cut a couple bitches, them niggas need stitches. I'm getting money off the tree, y'all niggas getting switches. Yeah, similar to Nas, I need a mic though. Chop the bread up, taekwondo. They pass me the game like Tom Brady. These rappers' chances looking slim, just like Shady. Let me just take a brief intermission. I'm coming right back at you with more bars than a motherfucking prison. Thank you, man, for following me. Twitter.com/SouljaBoyTellin'. 2 million followers. I love all my fans. Let me eat these bitches. Niggas locked behind my bars. I'm taking out prisoners. Sit back, relax, receiving my residuals. You think this song is dope shit? Wait till you see the visual. Please brace yourself, the shit is about to get critical. Let it be known, I got rappers on my hit list. I got so many gifts, you would swear I stole Christmas. Word to the Grinch, bitch, my style real switch quick. I knew this all along, I was waiting just to hit the kill switch. Since day one, man, your boy been the truth. Broke so many records like I'm in the glass booth, like I'm in the glass studio, breaking all barriers. Back when crime I was screaming Ellenwood area. Nigga, I ain't scared of ya, I never ever will be. I'm screaming I'm the best until these rappers kill me. Make the people feel me like blind men do. On your girl head so much like her favorite shampoo. I'm traveling where I want, soldier's vacation. My mind is so free, Emancipation Proclamation. I'm so hot, haters evaporating. 6 bitches on my dick, I'm eliminating. I'm high every Friday, just like Smokey. I'm spitting real shit, these niggas spitting karaoke. Hit stick with the flow just like Madden. I'm so high on my carpet feeling like Aladdin. I spit hot flames, bitch, just like a dragon. And my pants sagging, spell it backwards, niggas. Niggas get hit when they see the coupe on. I don't give a fuck, I got my Pyrex suit on. I'ma keep rapping till the fans hear the best of me. I'm cooking up the game, bitch, yeah, I got the recipe. You ain't gotta like me, just please respect it. Hip-hop is dead, nigga, let me resurrect it. Microphone check it, 1, 2, 3. I'ma keep spitting till they crown me the best. The rap game's a mess, let me clean it up. It's a pigsty, they going ham, give it up. Man, I know a lot of these niggas out here slept on me, man, you feel me? But now I'm like they worst nightmare and shit, you know what I'm saying? Hopped up out the bed, turn my swag on, man. Shit don't make no motherfucking sense, man. All my fans, hold your head, man, I got y'all, man, it's nothing, you feel me? Twitter.com/SouljaBoyTellin'. I'm doing this for y'all. I broke 2 million, so I dedicated this to you. But at the end of the day, man, I know y'all love me, so I love y'all back. I'm the new best rapper. Flying down the highway, $1 million on the dashboard. You can't start my car up unless you got the password. I'm something like a prophecy, spit so properly. When my album drop, watch how many rappers copy me. Haters' opinions are obsolete. Don't make pop music, so it ain't no poppin' me. And my brain's a bitch, where she at when I need her? You pack 9s, I pack 9 kilometers. You didn't want beef, why would you start it? Cannons flashing like you're walking down the red carpet. First you was nameless, now I'ma make you famous. Hit you with the stainless and leave your ass brainless. Best rapper.